Psst, Goblin. He's on the side of a building.
Good. We'll make it the surprise party.
I did a pretty good job, wouldn't you say?
Ever alert, the legendary wall crawler is looking for something. And he's found it. A rubber glove sandwich.
Beautiful, Spider-Man. A real surprise ending to that crackpot director's film.
Speaking of happy endings, how about having lunch with me at a little French cafe?
Sorry, maybe next time. I've got to be going.
Boy, you'd think a spider asked her out every day.
Only the mechanical arms of Dr. Octopus could have stolen this $1 million ruby.
And only the wiggly webbing of Spider-Man is gonna make you wish you never tried.
You!
Can I do your windshield? The wall crawler! The webhead! Just your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man!
Computer, can I transport to this planet my friend, Iron Man?
Affirmative.
And there's only one man who can fight the Red Skull, Captain America.
Affirmative.
You sure it's okay, Johnny? Hey, you asked if you could take the air cycle for a spin, so spin! Yay!
This year's fully loaded model features nanotechnology, discreetly borrowed from the lab of Reed Richards. This scientific marvel features billions of microscopic robots working in harmony to make one spiffy set of duds. You're gonna have to do better than that to nail your friendly interplanetary Spider-Man.
Go! Go! Go, Web, go!
The Amazing Spider-Man!
With great power comes great responsibility. Hello, my dear.
It's Spider-Man!
If someone told you I was an ordinary average guy, someone lied. Cause I'm a mother-grabbing Spider-Man, Spider-Man, friendly neighborhood Spider-Man.
When are people gonna learn? It's New York. Nothing beats the subway.
Friendly neighborhood Spider-Man coming through. Hey, kid, didn't your mom ever tell you not to play with giant killer robots?
Only friendly neighborhood Spider-Man!
Hey, what's up? All right. How you doing?
donne.
Grazie, Italian Spider-Man.
Oh, what's wrong, Spider-Man? Off your game?
Game's good, Gobs. Just getting acquainted with the rules.
Rule 1. Spidey must splat.
Rule 2. Ignore Rule 1.
Was that the plan?
The plan was for him to lay down with his hands over his head.
Yeah, didn't go that way, did it?
Nice work, kid.
Damn it, there's no way across. Spidey, can you swing us across with your web?
No, I can't swing you across. And it's Spider-Man, not Spidey.
I'm pretty sure I've heard people call you Spidey.
Yeah, close friends. What's your name?
Peter?
Hey, Petey, do stuff for me.
Oh, I don't like that.
Yeah, you don't like it. You're a fat nobody and I'm Spider-Man, so how do you think I feel?
Ah, hey there, little man. Whoa, that arm looks real bad. Who was it, Green Goblin or that lunatic Dr. Octopus?
Hey, what's up?
When you said going on a mission in the Spider Jet, I was thinking Kunlun, Asgard, Coney Island. But no, we're at a mall in Queens.
Just let me go.
Is that a knife? Is that a real knife?
Yes, it's a real knife.
My weakness, it's small knives.
Just let me go.
Anything but knives! Oh, it's so simple. Uh-oh.
Somebody's been a bad lizard.
I'm Spider-Man.
What's wrong with your voice?
Well, that went great.
Somebody order the fried calamari?
People don't know this, but I used to be a wallflower just like you. So I'm gonna teach you how to be a cool and confident wall crawler.
I got him, guys. Spider-Man smash! Oh!
Looking to your left, you'll see.
Whoa!
Was he making fun of me?
A little, yes.
Sorry our problem got dropped in your backyard.
Gee, I'm pretty busy saving the world all the time. Maybe I should get a pet that doesn't require so much attention.
Like a cactus.
The secret weapon is you.
What?
He's adapted to the Avengers, but he doesn't know your powers.
Hi. This was Iron Man's idea.
Destroy.
あいにく招待券持ってないけど参加しても構わない
Knock, knock. Mr. Criminal. Hey, my name is Spider-Man. You can call me Webhead, you can call me Amazing. Just don't call me late for dinner, you get it? Not a shaker? You a hugger?
Item killer!
Whoa, okay.
Now you listen to me, you beautiful spidery man. With great power comes great responsibility, and our responsibility right now is to make sweet, sweet love.
Oh.
Tried to stop him. We got our teeth kicked in. Now it's up to you.
Whoa! Okay, that's a first. I actually caught a bug in one of my webs.
No way! It's that villain, Yellow Jacket.
He's a bug, I'm a spider, nature taking its course, right?
And by that logic, aren't you supposed to eat him?
Oh, gross!
What the hell is that?
Everyone's got a gimmick now.
You have a metal arm? That is awesome, dude! You have the right to remain silent! Oh, God. Hey, buddy, I think you lost this!
Sorry, but you guys tried to rob my close personal friend Iron Man. My hands were tied. Oh, and now your hands are tied. Did I mention Iron Man and me are totally BFFs? Yeah, we teamed up once. Full-on teamed up.
Who cares?
The internet?
Sup, guys? Wait a minute. You guys aren't the real Avengers. I can tell Hulk gives it away. Oh, that was awesome.
Oh, no, you don't! Museum members get 20% off life-saving acts of heroism.